Hello, second graders. You're going to need page 15 of your letters and sounds. Page 15, and this is lesson 8. All right, so let's look at the top of the page where it has that special sound in the box. K in duck, C-K. Let's say that together. Ready? K in duck, C-K, K, K, K. Ready? K in duck, C-K, K, K, K. What does C-K say? K. When we see it in a word, we do what? We circle it because it is a special sound. When we're reading and we see it in words, we know in our mind C and K go together. They say K, K in duck, C-K. All right, so look at number 1. Circle the special sounds and mark the vowels. So they did the first one for you, back. They circled the CK and they put a smiley face on the A. You do the rest of those very quickly. If you need to stop the video, you may stop it now. Okay, very quickly, the only one that you would have had a little bit of problem with there is quick. Okay, we know to circle the CK, but which vowel do we mark? Do we do stick and cross out? No, because Q and U walk together. We do not count the U as a vowel. So how many vowels are actually in this word? 1. Okay, so if you look back, it's the next to the last word in the green box. Look at it carefully. If you didn't do it correctly, then fix it right now. You don't have to underline the Q and U. I just did that for you on the board. If you did not do that one correctly, fix it now. So just quickly checking over your green box, you want to make sure you have all those CKs circled and all those vowels marked with a smile. All right, now look at the bear claw in the middle. Here's a rule we've got to learn, all right? CK follows a short vowel, KE follows a long vowel. Look at the red words underneath there. Tack, ack. So I know that I hear a short vowel, I'm going to write CK. Then the next word over says take, take. I know that I hear a long vowel, so I'm going to write KE. Here's our rule right here. I kind of put it, excuse me, in shorthand for you. CK follows a short vowel. KE follows a long vowel, okay? So you're listening for short vowel sounds and for long vowel sounds. All right, let's look right here on the board and let's circle these special sounds and mark the vowels. Okay, so I'm looking here, I see one vowel, and so that's going to mean it's short, right? That's going to mean that that is going to be a CK special sound. Ack. Okay? This next one, I see two vowels. So I'm going to do my stick and my cross out, and that's going to follow that rule, KE. A long vowel is followed by KE. All right, look at this one. How many vowels? 1. I see my special sound CK. That follows my rule, right? CK is followed by a short vowel. This word is lick, lick. Then I see 2 vowels, right? So I do not put a CK in this word. I have a KE, like, okay? So look at number 2. Number 2 are the same words that I have here. Go through the green box right there on number 2 and circle your CK special sound and mark your vowel. And then look at your 2 vowel words, stick and cross out. Very quickly, if you need to pause the video to get that done, then you may pause the video now. All right, you should be finished with number 2. Now we're looking at number 3. Look at number 3 on your paper. Mark the circle under the correct word. So what is this little girl doing? Let's look at the 2 words. Pick or pike. What is she doing to the flowers? Pick. Color in the circle under that first word with the short vowel in the CK. Pick. All right, going over to the second picture. Is that a bic or a bike? That's a bike. Color in the correct circle. And the last picture, is that a duck or a duke? Duck or duke? And we know, of course, that's a duck. We hear short vowel. We see our special sound, CK. All right, look at your dictation puppy. At the bottom, got your ears listening, your pencil ready. I'm going to say a word, and you mark the vowel sound that you hear and mark it as long or short. All right, so your first word is load. Load. What vowel sound did you hear? L-O-D, and it is saying its name. It is a long vowel. We're going to put a stick over it. Okay, your next word is tub. Tub. What vowel do you hear? Umbrella. Your next one, fame. Fame. What do you hear? Fa-a, and you hear it saying its name, so it gets a stick. The last one, pipe. Pipe. And you should have all these done before I write them on the board, because I'm giving you plenty of time, and I know you're smart enough to get these done without it taking too long. So, pipe, pipe, I hear a I saying its name. It's going to get a stick. All right, going down to the second row, you're going to write the blends that I say. Write the blend. Ready? Da. D-a. Da. That's your answer. You should have written it before I did. D-a. Da. Right, moving on, your next one. C. C. E, right? C. Hope you're writing these before I do. The next one, ma. Ma. Ah. There's your answer. And the last one, Q. Q. Now, if you wrote this, you should have known better, remember? K comes before I and E. C before the other three, A, O, U. Don't let them trick you on that. All right, flip your paper over to the back. Everything on that side should be complete. Flip it over on the back. All you need now are your ears and your finger. Put your finger on number 1. Circle yes if the words are a sentence. Circle no if the words are not a sentence. Color the picture. Remember, a sentence makes a complete thought. Look at that first one. Carlos drew a frog. Yes, that's a sentence. We know who, we know what he did. So you're going to do all of those, circling yes or no, and then you're going to color that picture. And I want to see some great coloring too. Number 2, mark the words, mark the vowels, draw lines to match the pictures with the words. So go down to the bottom first and mark your vowels, then read the word and match it to the picture. Okay? And that is the end of lesson 8.